ngazi ukuthi le mali ewina amawele ngeke iziwe asisize ngempela. Bona indlela abahamba ngakhona ikhomba ukuthi cha. Yonke lento abafisa ukuyenza ayizukwenzeka. Le mali izophela bengakawakhi nomuzi and they will be poor again. Nabo Dula sebefuna ukushada, awazi ukuthi Dula ufuna ukushada ngoba efuna imali kaThembi noma ufuna ini. Hi guys, asazi kodwa nje hayi akuhambi neze kahle kuma twins. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show and thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Amalanga, our funny from the 19th to 23rd of May 2025 on Monday. Thembi answers Dula's proposal. Sabelo must choose first or must choose Xoli or Star. Gumede fakes an emergency to get his mother to leave Shakaville, but he is not getting rid of her that easily on Tuesday. As the twins explore a whole new world among the rich and famous, Mangubane turns on a basin as the hair hunt for the twins intensifies. Fake Gogo Gumede is caught red-handed drinking on Wednesday. Amawele Odumo trends for wrong reasons. Star and Xoli feel betrayed when they discover that Sabelo has left Nqutu for Durban. Zandile lands on her half-brother's lap on Tuesday or Thursday. Dulas pushes Thembi towards a new path. Xoli and Star chase a fortune, but Mangubane takes the lead. The forbidden attraction depends between two people unaware pop their true bond on Friday. Sabelo learns useful information to save Thembi. Dulas escalates his plan to tie the knot with Thembi. Zandile is busted for sleeping out. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.